Hey everyone, Tachomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a black screen on your iPhone 17 or any iPhone by following these steps. So let's get started. Very first thing is make sure your phone is charged. So you want to charge at least half an hour before. So just connect it to a charger. Now sometimes these chargers can go bad. In that case, try using a wireless charger, especially if there's an issue with the charge port. You may not know it right away, so it's always good to first charge. Now after you charge it and you know it has charged, you're going to follow these steps here. You're going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold down this big side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So I'm going to show you how that's done. So I'm going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then I hold down this big side button here. You're going to hold it, keep on holding until you can see the Apple logo appear. Could take 10-15 seconds or even longer. Just keep on holding it, as you can see here, and I finally see the Apple logo. I let go. It took me about 15-20 seconds before I actually saw the Apple logo. But if it doesn't work the very first time doing this method, go ahead and try it again. All you're doing is quickly pressing and releasing volume up, volume down, and then holding down that big side button until you can get the Apple logo to appear. This is known as basically a forced restart, which reloads the code. It doesn't delete any of your data, so all of your photos, videos, apps will still be on your phone. Again, the key here, if it doesn't work the very first time, keep on trying it. It will work if the only issue of the phone is that it just isn't turning on. It's just black completely. Again, you're going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold down that big side button. And that's how you fix a black screen iPhone 17. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.